Example 3.21. Compute the work done and power delivered by the Lorentz force on a particle of charge q moving with velocity v. Calculate the angle between the Lorentz force and velocity of the charged particle and also interpret the result. Now we have to find out the work done and the power delivered by the Lorentz force for a particle with charge q moving with a velocity v. Now we have to calculate what are the things we have to calculate it. We have to calculate the angles between F and V, that is Lorentz force and the velocity, and we have to interpret the result also. Okay. Now for a charged particle moving in a magnetic field, what force is acting? Lorentz force is acting. Okay. So the Lorentz force is given by F vector is equal to Q into V cross B vector. This is your Lorentz force. Now, what is the work done in magnetic field? Work done in magnetic field, W is equal to integral F dot dr. Okay. So, F dot dr. Here dr can be written as integral. That is r vector is equal to what? Velocity into what? Time. Okay. So here it is v into dt, velocity into time. Okay. Now this can be written as integral. For f I am going to substitute q into v cross b dot v to dt. Okay. This is your work done. So the q can be taken outside, v cross b vector dot v vector into dt. Now here v cross b vector and v vector are perpendicular to each other. V cross b vector and v vector are what? Perpendicular to each other. So the product of these two will be what? 0. So this will be what? 0. So work done will be what? 0. Why it is 0? Because v cross b vector and v vector are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, the Lorentz force do not do any work on the particle. Lorentz force will not do any work on what? Particle. Okay. Now, according to work energy theorem, we know dw by dt, that is power is equal to dw by dt, which is equal to what? F vector dot v vector. So this is according to which theorem? Work energy theorem. Okay. Here F vector and v vector are perpendicular to each other. F vector and v vector are what? Perpendicular to each other. Therefore, F dot v will be equal to what? 0. F dot v will be what? 0. Okay. So when F dot v will be 0, because the angle between F and v will be what? 90 degrees. So we can now come to a conclusion. The angle between the Lorentz force and the velocity is 90 degree. What is the theta value? 90 degree. That is angle between what? F and V is theta is equal to how much? 90 degree. So therefore we can say Lorentz force changes the direction of velocity but not the magnitude of velocity. And also Lorentz force does not do any work. Therefore the kinetic energy of the particle will not what? Change. Okay, so what we are concluded? Lorentz force changes the magnitude of the velocity, not the direction of the, it changes the direction of the velocity, not the magnitude of the velocity. And Lorentz force does not do any work and does not alter the kinetic energy of the particle.